How to create portfolio in Wix 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a portfolio website in Wix in the easiest way. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Wix and you're going to go over to creating a new website. Now, once you come over here, first of all, it's going to ask if you want to bring anything with AI to life. I'm going to go ahead and set it up without AI. Now over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and write portfolio. So it can be a specific portfolio like programming portfolio, portrait portfolio, creative portfolio, whatever you have. So let's say I'm going to go with creative portfolio and click on continue. Once you do that, it starts preparing your dashboard. And once that loads in, what it's going to do from there is you are going to go ahead to the design site. All right. So once the main dashboard has fully loaded up, simply go over to design site. And in design site, you can either customize a template for yourself or generate a design with AI. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pick a template because Wix gives you the greatest portfolio templates out there. So as you can see, we get all of these templates for creative portfolios. So let's say I'm going to go with this. This looks pretty cool, and you can showcase your creativity on this as much as you like. Okay, so let's let the Wix website editor fully load in. And once our editor has loaded in, what we're going to do from there is we're simply going to go ahead and add our portfolio details in it. You can add whatever images, whatever designs you have in this one section. Okay, so here, as you can see, everything is loaded up. You can add your very own name, you can add your very own images, and you don't need to change a lot in this design. Now, moving on, as we scroll down here, we have the project section where you can add your very own projects. Okay, so if you want to edit these individual items, you can go ahead and change the image to whatever you want to add. You can add your very own details to whatever design you have. And as we scroll more over down, you can add in your information. You can change in your colors however you like. And that is basically your portfolio. So that's pretty much on how you can create a creative portfolio or any type of portfolio in Wix. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.